closing over the phone. Now, closing over the phone is very effective. I tell you why. Because when you are closing over the phone call, you are interacting with the other person. You are having a one-to-one dialogue with the other person. You are able to understand what are the reservations of the other person, what are the blocks that the other person has, why is it that the other person is not taking that action, probably what more information does that other person want, is he requiring more money, probably does he not have money for becoming a part of my program, does he require more information, is that person having some limiting beliefs and that is the reason why they are not doing it. So you got to ask people why that's so very important, on why you have not yet become a part of this session. That's extremely important. So what I want to ask and share each one of you is, when you close over the phone call, you're going to cover all the objections. We did one session, if you remember, on how to close over the phone call as well. Now, when you close over the phone call, you got to write down all the major objections that people might have on their mind. And how would you know that? When you are regularly interacting with people over the phone, you would be knowing all the major objections that they have available with them. Okay, that's number one. The second thing is, you would be interacting with people and you would then get to understand, okay, this is the exact triggering point where I need to talk to that person so that that person takes the desired action. That's number two. Number three would be, you need to have a chart in front of you wherein all the deliverables of your product have been written so that you can accordingly guide the other person. Number four, as per the industry where you are reaching out to people, you need to have the pointers jotted down. For example, if you're reaching out to an entrepreneur and that entrepreneur asks you how this program is going to help me, benefit me, you have that written for you. If there is a person who's doing a job, if there's a person who's doing a business, you would be knowing, okay, how do I reach out to those people? That's extremely important. And therefore, you need to have all those sheets or those charts in front of you so that you have the clear-cut answer on what you got to talk to the other person. My team does the same thing every time. And please understand, do you realize that once you are closing with the person, you would have already had one or two or maybe three interactions earlier to the closing? Yes or no? Yes or no? आपके पहले भी कोई ना कोई इंटरेक्शंस हो रखे होंगे ना, तभी तो आप अभी के टाइम पे उनके संग क्लोजिंग करने जा रहे हो, राइट? तो आपको वो चीज समझनी पड़ेगी कि आपने वो जो इंटरेक्शंस कर रखे हैं, उस इंटरेक्शंस के बेसिस पे देन यू पुश देम सो दैट दे कैन टेक दैट एक्शन राइट देन एंड देयर. तो जो आपने ऑलरेडी काम कर रखा है, आप उसको कंटिन्यूटी के संग आगे बढ़ाएंगे एंड तब आपके पास अपने आप ही रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. एक चीज और है, क्यों क्लोजिंग बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है ना, सोचो. You have put in the efforts, you have worked really hard, you have interacted with the person, you have done all the hard work. Now is the time when you got to really push them to take that action. तो आपने time भी लगाया है, energy भी लगाया है. But even after taking out your time, even after putting all your energy, if you are not able to close, तो उस बंदे को भी कोई नुकसान है, क्योंकि उस बंदे को भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, उस बंदे ने भी desired action नहीं लिया, उसकी लाइफ में कोई बदलाव नहीं आया. You don't sell, you don't get your money, you don't get the other person to become a part of your program. So you also lose. It's a lose-lose situation. But when you ensure that that person becomes a part of your community or your work, then it becomes a win-win situation for everybody. Did you get that now, everyone? Yes. So closing on the phone is extremely important. आपके सामने वो pointers लिखे होने चाहिए, वो jotted down information होनी चाहिए. तब आप उनके पास regularly reach out करेंगे, तब आप ensure करोगे कि कैसे आ रहे हैं. Got that? Good. So make a video and write notes how to close over a phone call. How to close over a phone call, everybody. You got to make a video as well as write notes.